Hello and welcome to my second video of the series. Today I'm gonna be talking about client events using Discord Pi. This is the second video of the series, and let me read this. And I'm gonna be telling you guys a lot about events, important events, and how to see every single event possible to use in Discord.py. Okay, so for the events we have a few options. Okay, I only brought a few of them, so we're gonna work with on ready, on message, on raw reaction add, and the on raw reaction remove, and the on command error. This is the three ones we're gonna use. No, not the three, I'm sorry, the 5 ones we're gonna use in this video. Gonna be teaching you how to use each one of those. They're very useful, and yeah, that's it. So let's start with the on ready. Just 1 second. Okay, for the on ready, we're gonna have at client. Actually, for any event, we're gonna have at client.event. You're gonna just pay attention that you're not gonna use parentheses over here, because it's not gonna work. You never gonna use parentheses. You need to do just client.event. Okay, so you're gonna do async def on ready. The name of the function is gonna be the name of the event you want the server to fire. Okay, so on ready. Just have in mind that you cannot use two events, like you cannot have two on readies. Okay, you can only have one of each event. So print, yeah, logged in, yeah, this works. Okay, this is pretty much how you always gonna use the on ready. This is only for you to know if you're using the right bot. So I'm gonna do main.py, gonna run it. Oh, bro, what happened? Okay, yeah. Let me see what's happening. Yeah, I figured out. I did not activate the virtual environment. I'm sorry, I kind of forgot to do it. This is why it was not working. But yeah, always when you open VS Code, you have to activate the virtual environment by doing VNV scripts activate. Okay, don't forget to do it. So now let's do py main.py, and it's gonna appear right under this. Okay, logged in as tutorial bot and the bot ID. Okay, this part's not necessary. I'm just gonna do like this. Let's run it again. Let's check. Okay, bot's running. Perfect. Let me clear. Okay. Yeah, this is the on ready. It's so easy to use. Next one we have is the on message. So client.event async def on message. Then the message is gonna be a Discord dot message. I always like to do this note over here to tell the code, to tell VS Code that this variable is a Discord.message. Okay, and if message.author equal client.user return This is just so if it's a bot message, you're just gonna ignore it, okay? In this case, let's say you can do anything you want. This is gonna read every single message that the bot has access to. You can do message logger for your server. You can do let's do like an auto mod, if you can say like that. So I'm gonna make a list of oh my god, forbidden words. Yep, this I'm gonna do like freak, dumb, and I don't know, I don't know, weird, stupid. Yeah, these are the forbidden words. Okay, then I'm gonna do if word and forbidden words. I'm sorry. If I'm just gonna do. Oh my god. Okay, wait. If message, I'm sorry, message dot content dot lowercase and forbidden words. Okay, so the message content is just gonna get the text of the message. If you can get any attribute from the message, you can get the message dot ID, you can get message dot channel, you can get message dot reply, you can do message dot author.mention. You can do anything you want, okay, with the message attributes. Await message.delete. Okay, yeah, this works. Thank you, Copilot. Yeah, this is basically the simple on message event we're gonna do. And by the end of every single on message event, you must, like, it cannot be in any ifs over here. By the end of the command, you're gonna do await client.process commands and then the message inside of it. Okay, it's very important, or else no command in your code is gonna work. Okay, this is very important. Okay. Also, when you're doing on message events, make sure, if you don't want to see the message, if you don't want what the message content is, make sure to go to client.process commands ASAP, or else it's gonna take a while for your code to read the message and understand it's a command, and then execute the command, and it's gonna make your bot slow. So make sure to add a lot of ifs to make sure, like, you really want to use the message, okay? Or else it's gonna make your bot very slow. Now let's save this. Let's run. Let's go to Discord. Okay, wait. This is just a little test. Let me delete those. Okay, so now I'm gonna do freak. Wait. What happened? Okay, this is not supposed to happen. Okay, I think I did something wrong. Oh, I forgot to put the parentheses over here. Sorry, this was my fault. Okay, yeah, so I kind of forgot to put the parentheses. So now if I say freak, it's gonna delete and say forbidden. Yeah, that's it. So now, if I say like I am freak, it's not gonna delete because I kind of forgot to do a little bit different. So actually, if gonna go like if I'm sorry, for word and forbidden words, if word and message.content.lower, just gonna boom, that's should work now. Gonna rerun Discord. I'm gonna send the same I am freak. It's gonna understand the thing and it's gonna delete. You are a freak. You see? Oh, and I'm gonna make sure to break. So break. Wait, let me run it again. Wait, let me remove the break just to show you guys, because it would run twice, and it would, like, if I say like freak dump, I say freak dump. Yeah, it's loading. Yeah, it would get me an error back in VS Code because the message was already deleted, so I must break it. Okay, so I'm gonna do break, and yeah. Or I can just do a return over here because I don't want this message to be processed since it's already deleted. So yeah, make sure to only send the messages that you want to be commended. Okay, so since it's just a forbidden word, it's gonna get deleted either way. So I'm just gonna return, just so it doesn't go to be processed as a command. So I'm gonna run it again. Now you're gonna see I'm not gonna get the error. So let's go back. So freak dump. It's only gonna delete once, and back in VS Code, it's not gonna have the error. Very easy. If I say like dot freak, it's gonna be deleted too. If I say freaking, it's gonna get deleted. You know. If it if I say like dumb shit, yeah. Wait, did I add dumb? Yeah, I did. Okay, so that's pretty much how it works. So now I'm gonna just let me delete all of those. Just to let it be a little bit cleaner. Okay, great. So now this was the one for message. On message you can do anything you want, but this, I don't know what your bot's gonna need, but this is just an example, okay? For the on raw reaction add, so I'm gonna have client.event on raw reaction add payload is gonna be a discord.raw reaction event. Then if, okay, I'm just gonna make sure it's the same thing. So payload.user.id, client.user.id, it's gonna return. So let's say I want to do a forbidden emoji to be reacted. So channel, I'm sorry, let me see. Okay, so yeah, payload is a little bit different because you cannot straight away access the channel. You can only have the channel ID. So thanks Copilot again. Just gonna say channel.client.getChannel payload.channel ID. So now if channel is null, I'm just gonna return message equal wait channel.fetch message. As I said before, payload, you cannot do the message already. You can only get the message author ID or the message ID. Okay. So now if payload dot, I'm gonna just do like a middle finger. If it's something like this, okay, wait. Oh my god. Let me just add an emoji. This is gonna be crazy hard to find. Wait a second. Okay, this is gonna be very hard to find, bro. Where's the middle finger emoji? Okay, I'm just gonna put it another emoji, like I don't know, the Yeah, it's gonna be this one. If I want to make this emoji forbidden, I'm just gonna make sure it gets removed. So await message dot payload dot reaction I'm sorry, message dot remove reaction payload emoji from payload member. Oh, sorry. Yeah, that's it. It should work now, so I'm gonna restart the bot. Go back to Discord. So I'm gonna send any message. Now I'm gonna put a thumbs up. It's gonna get removed. If I wanna extend this, like, yep, this works. Oh my god, wait. Yeah. Message dot reply. Oh no, no, yeah, that's not gonna work. No, that's not what I want. Yeah, that's okay. Bot's on now. Okay. I'm sorry for not showing you guys. Oh, I didn't have to send another message. Just gonna react with thumbs up. Get removed. Burner, you reacted with a thumbs up, or something like that. Or you can just say you cannot react with that emoji. Or as I said before, you can do like a list of emojis, and then you can do like if emoji.name in emoji list or something like that. Okay, but you have to do emoji list. Then this is gonna be executed. But I'm just gonna do like this. Okay. Yeah. Or you can go like let's say I can react but other people cannot. If payload dot author id, nope, not the message, I'm sorry, the member dot id equals, I'm gonna get my id now, just 1 second. Bro, I cannot get my own id, help. Okay, got my own id. If equals boom, I'm gonna be able to react now. So I'm gonna save, rerun the bot, Discord. Then I shouldn't get the message now. So I'm gonna react thumbs up. Oops, what happened? Payload.member.id. What the hell? This is my ID. Did it not save? Let me try again. Oh wait, I'm sorry. I meant to do a different sign over here. I meant to do a different sign. So if the payload member.id is not my ID, you're gonna boom. So now I'm gonna be able to react without getting the message. Okay. I can even attach it to a role, so I can do like a role equal message dot guild get role. I'm gonna change it to another ID. I'm gonna get this role ID right here. If if role in payload member dot roles. Wait, not in. Okay, so if I have the director role, I'm gonna be able to. If I don't have the director role, I'm not gonna be able to react. Okay, so let's see it now. Oh, open Discord, and a message. Okay, now I'm able to react. I'm gonna remove my own director role. Get it? Now, boom, it gets removed. You see, I attached the permission to a role, and you can do that, and you can explore that. Okay, next one we have is on raw reaction remove. This I'm gonna skip this one because this is pretty much just like this one, but you can use this for reaction roles. You can explore this more, but it's basically the same thing. On command error, this is very important. Okay, so I'm gonna do on client on command error. Okay, I'm gonna just commands dot context and the error as a it's gonna be an exception for sure. Yeah, so yeah, if it's a command now found, I'm just gonna do like this example over here. Message dot reply, that command does not exist. This is gonna be the first thing we're gonna do. Else I'm just gonna do it this way. Okay, so if it's another error that I did not get prepared for, it's just gonna give him a message for the error. So I'm gonna run the bot again. So the prefix is a dot. So if I do like dot ping, that command does not exist. Okay. It's pretty simple, but I can do any instance over here. So if I do else if, oh my god, assistance, yeah, missing required argument. This is for okay, wait. Let's say your command gets one variable. If one optional variable and one mandatory variable. If you don't get any of the variables, it's gonna call this error over here. Okay. I'm gonna do a quick command over here. Client.command. Oh, you gotta do the parentheses. Async def ping. This is it. Okay, not this part. So yeah. No wait. I'm gonna add like a person. A person as Discord.member. I'm not gonna add the non part, just so you guys see. Person.mention. Gonna run it. You're gonna see it now. If I do dot ping again, you're missing a required argument for that command. But now if I do ping at brainer, you see it worked. Okay. But now if I equal this to none or someone else, I'm just gonna equal this none, or if this has like a default value, like in this case it's none, but it can be anything else, it's not gonna call the argument. Wait, I'm sorry. But person.mention, wait a second, if person is none, person equal context.author. Yeah, that's it. Now I'm gonna go back to Discord. Dot ping. Now it's not gonna call it anymore because the person has a default value for it. Okay, it's pretty easy and simple to understand. Okay, I'm gonna delete this command. You can use any as instance over here. There's a lot of them. Bro, there's like a lot of them. Like missing permissions. I'm gonna show you guys a lot of them. So there's the bot missing role, bot missing permissions. There's like a bunch of errors that you can check using this. Okay. Command not found, command in cooldown. A lot of that you can use, and you can explore this more on the documentation of the library. Okay. Let me close this. Great. Yeah, this is the events that I wanted to show you guys. There's a lot of other events that you can see. I'm gonna show you guys all on the API. I'm gonna let the link of the API and description, but you're gonna go in Google. You're gonna paste a link that I leave in the description. This has all the events, so there's a bunch of them, like actually a bunch. On guild channel delete, on guild channel update, on guild channel pins update. There's a lot. On typing, on raw typing, on connect, disconnect. This is like on error over here. There's the on message too, but it's on ready over here. The on message, I think it's somewhere over here. Let me see, on message over here. Yeah, Discord.on message. Called when a message is created and sent. This requires intent.messages to be enabled. So if you have anything specific that you want to do with the bot, you just have to look at the docs. I'm here to just explain you guys better, and I'm gonna let the new code in the description along with the link for the docs. Okay. In here you can like search up anything you want using this little search part over here. Okay. If you want to know how to use any events, how to do commands, anything you want to do different, it's in the documentation. Okay, so this is it, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Next video is gonna be about commands. Okay, I'm gonna be explaining you guys a lot better about commands. Thank you for watching the video. See ya.